Hello, my name is Catherine. I'm here to introduce you to our low melt thermoplastic product used for arts and crafts. You can make jewellery, freeform the product, even make buttons, and it's washable at 40 degrees. But there are lots of other applications that can be used for this great product. Here are some examples of items that have been made, and over the next few videos I will be showing you exactly how to produce these. And here are some examples of buttons. The product started life 4 years ago as galactic plastic. As we know, plastic has been given a lot of bad press lately. However, this product is completely reusable, and with it there is absolutely no waste. It has now been decided to give the product a complete new branding. Due to this, we do have some great offers on the available existing stock. Going forward, the low melt thermoplastic will remain exactly the same. As you can see, or will be seeing shortly, there are some fabulous colours in the range. To work with this product, you need a heater plate and mats. These are the only items that will be changed, and at present we're having a new version being redesigned. Due to this, we have special offers on the existing heater stock, whether it is a single heater or the single or double heater packs we have available. You can see how beautiful and vibrant the colour range is. In fact, there are 12 standard, 5 pastels and 1 clear available. You will see later in this video how the colours blend well together without turning dull and sludgy. You can even make your own coloured material by heating and rolling out between 2 silicone sheets. Here are examples of mixed colours as I was discussing how beautiful these are. This is the heater we have at present, and these are the heater mats, which will both be changed. Please note, the heater plates do get very hot, so please do not touch them directly. Never use the heater without the silicone mats, and do not touch the material straight after the heater because it does get quite hot, but it does cool down quite quickly. Always try and have a little bowl of water with it. So don't forget, there is absolutely no waste with this product. Don't like something you've made? Just melt it down and start again. It's that simple. Our arts and crafts product is so versatile. Use our low melt thermoplastic for making jewellery, mixed media, buttons, artwork, and even card embellishments. So you're looking to get a kit or even more material if you've already got one, so just go to www.mademe.co.uk/shop/legwork-marketplace/. So why not join me next time, because I shall be making some jewellery. You can see exactly how this is done.